Oh mate, you got a clover. You got no, don't eat that.
What is that?
That's a clove of fucking garlic. No, that's a whole clove of garlic. Oh, you just ate fucking garlic.
Welcome back to Tony's Kitchen.
Woo! Yeah.
Louder, you scum.
You're the man. You're the best. So cool.
Okay, so what we're doing today is we are making pudding. Chocolate pudding, as you can see. We have cocoa powder here, and we have an assistant in the background. We have our other assistant here. Can you hold an egg for me? Good catch. What about this egg? Okay, so we're going to grab a metal bowl and we're going to grab a whisk, alright? So we're making pudding. How do you reckon this pudding goes? We're going to put eggs?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, eggs. We're going to do eggs. Just put in some eggs. Sure.
Hey Tony, can I have an egg?
Yeah, you can. Sure, son. Alright, so we've separated all our ingredients. Now, what we're going to do is actually add some milk.
Okay.
Milk. And pour the milk in. That's around enough milk. You want to whisk that for me, young man? Okay, so while he's whisking it, what we want to do is come over to the ingredients. Now what we have is some fine cocoa powder here. You can get this at your local IGA or Woolworths like we got it. And we got some sugar here too. Now sugar is quite sweet, as we said before. Really good. And then you come over here and we have some nice plain, no, it's self-raising flour. Tastes good. Okay, so what we actually want to do is slowly add these green ingredients. So what we want to do is just grab a pinch of this, son. Alright, put the pinch in there, stir it up. Now what we want to do is also grab some sugar, put the sugar in there. Stir that up continuously. Now, butter. We have some salted butter here. Alright, open the butter and put a bit of butter in. Alright, so just put a bit of butter in. You want to break the butter up too. Okay, put a pinch in. I said pinch. Are you serious? I said a fucking pinch. Are you serious, cunt?
Oh,
I said a pinch. I said a pinch. I said a pinch.
Need some help?
So we had a bit of a dilemma there. The head. Alright, more.
Yeah,
that
will do it.
Can you hold the bowl?
Oh, what the? Okay.
Okay.
A toke.
So now we're done the pudding. We have finished the pudding. So what we're doing next is a baked Alaska. We're putting it all together, the parts and stuff, so it doesn't matter. We're gonna go around everyone's house trying it.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, so we're gonna go around everyone's house and try to get everyone to try it. You filming me? So, this is our completed product. We will be going around to everyone's house to let them try it. But first, we all try it. We'll cheers it. Cheers, boys. and down the hatch. Take the biggest bite you can grab.
Yeah. It's actually not bad.
Ivan!
You want? That tastes like shit.
So, we're here at our first guests, victims, you could say, for them to try. You can just take a bite.
That is a bite. You should have just taken a bite though. Is it good?
No.
Why not? I think your taste buds are off.
You need to
Oh,
have...
are they?
So, we're at our next victim's house to give them a taste of our beautiful baked Alaska. Let's go. Grab a piece, any piece you want, they're all the same.
I will throw up.
You have to have a piece.
Have to?
Yep. Oh, go on, bigger bite than that.
What is wrong with your head, by the way?
We might have shaved it.
It's actually not that bad.
We're at our
Come
next
on,
victim's house.
This is enough.
Tom, I will profusely ring the doorbell. Tom. Tom. Come out. Tom. Tom. Come out.
Yes.
Come on.
Why?
Just come out.
Everyone's had a bit.
Just come out. Just come out. Just come out.
Everyone's had a try.
Oh, okay, I'm eating it.
Do you want?
Which is the best bit?
I'd say here.
It's all the
that
best
one
bit.
there.
It's all the best.
You gotta grab it by the base. Yeah.
I don't have to. It's not actually that bad.
That's our first person who actually took a big bite.
Like, it's not horrible.
But it's not good.
Like, if I paid for it, I'd probably be angry. But if, like, my nan gave it to me, I would probably just be like, yeah, it's alright.